At Danfoss, we believe that action speaks louder than words. We've set out to become our customers' preferred decarbonization partner. That means learning from each other and sharing what we know already works through strong partnerships across sectors. Our decarbonization recipe, a 3-step approach designed to achieve carbon neutrality in our 100+ operations by 2030, can be adopted by anyone, delivering real results fast and with short payback times. Sequence matters. First, we reduce energy waste. Then, we reuse energy. And thirdly, we resource green energy by phasing out fossil fuels in favor of clean energy such as renewable electricity and power-to-X. In our new series, Decarbonization Explained, we share best practices of how we decarbonize intelligently and cost-effectively with our customers in transport, industry, buildings, and energy systems. We already have the solutions to systemically drive down emissions in the entire value chain. Join us as we take you through how we turn targets and pledges into action. Learn how we engineer tomorrow to build a better future. Stay tuned for episode 1.